This was a very nice day. On the 9th of May 2025. Here's Runeberginkatu, Runeberginkatu 36 Negisby. We got the situation. So built, this one is 11205. Is it 1964 or is it 2000?
Yeah, mate.
In the beginning of 2000 with
Yeah.
pictures. Without any doors.
Yeah.
Two rides.
Yeah.
It's very small.
Yeah. Should be for 2 persons.
Mm-hmm. It's also here in Porvoo, Finland. Have you seen it? The air construction somewhere like on Oikotie or not?
No, I don't remember it.
But you can check it.
Yeah. Niissä teit paikki vaisuttaa, että meitä ei pääsi vaan hissiin.
Here the doors can make a bridge, huh?
Yeah.
That's it. That's it.
That's